And we're out. Basement time? Does this apply here? Shit, I don't know how that would work. I mean, usually it means like when I play DBD, it usually means that I just camp in the basement. Oh, as killer? Oh, yeah, I could do it as killer. That's actually a good idea. Yeah, who will do that? Thanks for the redemption. I'll definitely do that. We'll play a killer game and just sit in the basement for the whole game. I'll play Bubs. Hey, I'm doing a challenge where I have to stay in the basement the whole game. It might be better if you guys just stay up top.
Go for it. Although, in my opinion,
just to let
this
you
is
know.
the worst map for it.
I know. I was just saying that.
Like I still.
This is definitely a victim kind of night. I gotta do this redeem first. I owe it to you, who? Dude, imagine if I had to do that as victim. I had to stay in the basement the whole time. I just had to like rely on them getting like the basement open. God, man. That'd be tough. Like literally impossible. Hello? Okay. I think I'm lagging. That's tough. Oh yeah, I am lagging. Sheesh. It's tough. You are lucky. You are lucky, Connie. I wouldn't mind a kill off the bat. I'm just gonna say there. I'm just gonna say. I'm coming for you, Connie. Coming for you. Oh ho ho. Oh, of course Leland's here. What a troll. What a troll of a man. What is he doing? How am I not hitting him? What? I didn't hit him? No, it's trolling. Leland's trolling. I like how that made no sound. I'm screaming. Dude, they fucking blocked both these doors. Screaming, dude. Dude, this is rough. Rough city, my guy. Rough city. My god, dude.
Main house under Grand. Just near.
I'm getting stabbed repeatedly.
I chased me back into the basement.
Can I get my stamina back? Holy sheesh, bro. Okay, well. Do not tell me my chainsaw overheated. Do not tell me. I can hear her footsteps. She's over here. Let's go! Executed Connie. And a zombie, by the way, too. She's gonna stun me. She's literally waiting, bruh.
Good kill.
Anna's still on me. She just ran away. I might have to recharge my chainsaw. Oh, no, I don't. I do. You're next. Perfect. I gotta break this, but... This is a tough challenge. I can't even feed Grandpa right now. That's so tough. A lot of us are gonna be slowed down.
Coming up the steps?
Yep, all you.
Anna. Is it even possible to win these struggles?
Yes. You just have to, like, press it more than them.
Oh, doesn't matter. Good job, sissy. Fucking shit on that chair.
Got the kill. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
We're 2 for 2. 2 more. Yo, I got a good team here. We might pull this off. We might pull this off.
Someone's in the main house. Yeah, it's Leland.
You know what to do. Get him downstairs.
Shoulder checked me behind the house. He's heading around the house battery side. I'm just hoping our other teammate can hear me. That's why I'm calling it out. I know you can't leave.
Yeah, it's not the best. Hey, I'll shut doors. I'll shut doors for them. Man, this is tough. I think they're all gone from the basement. They have like all the doors open.
I got Anna on cook. Weird. Damn, it'd be nice if Bubba could come up here and chainsaw this fucking barrier. Otherwise, we'll never get in.
Well, good news. I have all the ones downstairs kind of cooked up.
Guess I'm just gonna sit here since she's coming to the basement now. If you can find cook.
I'm at the basement.
She's right under me.
I know where it is. I'll meet her there. I'm pretty sure it's over here. Should I go there quick? Oh my gosh, she dropped behind me.
The other one jumped down the well.
Bruh, ain't no way I gotta restart my chainsaw. What the? Oh, dude, what? Dude, this is painful. He's gonna escape. Let's go! I executed her! It's just Leland now. He's downstairs.
So
Hey, I'll take a 3. I'll take a 3K. I'll take a 3K for this challenge. This ain't bad. He's probably gonna escape out the basement though. I don't know where the basement is. I don't know where the basement exit is. I don't think he does either though. He's on me. He's on me. He's on me. He's going back upstairs. Back upstairs. Up the ladder over here on me. Where the chicken's going off. You guys got it. You got this.
yeah, he's heading towards the main house, sissy.
My god, dude. I know I heard someone drop down the well next to me. That shit was crazy. Crazy, my man. They opened the basement again. No. Wait, I think it's over here. It's gotta be.
Is it the back of the main house? Oh, he
He opened the basement. Yeah.
That's what he did, yeah.
Basement. I gotta find this basement exit, wherever it is.
He just came down the well? Right by Cook?
Oh, Sissy's killing him. At the exit. I'm screaming. That'll do, let's go! There was one left just a second ago. We killed them all, though. Big dubs, y'all. GG's. Man, that was a wild challenge. Let's go.